Good idea. Bad idea.
Escape from the crashed time machine. Huh. A delinquent rocker chick?
This is the dumbest design ever.
Huh?
Hello? She can't hear me.
Okay. Well, there's nothing else, so I must have to use an item. Hit her with the flask.
She can't hear me.
Hit her with the flask, you dick. Ah, here we go. If that's the recap, I guess they're not going to show it. Alright, what's this?
Citizen Brown. That's Doc, all right, but what the heck's going on here?
Shit, I have to be able to do something.
Don't worry, everybody. I'm okay. The billboard broke my fall. It's jammed.
The door's stuck. Here we go, honk the horn.